Nature never breaks her own laws. There are moments when all anxiety and stated toil are becalmed in the infinite leisure and repose of nature. Scenery is fine, but human nature is finer. Joy in looking and comprehending is nature's most beautiful gift. Physics is about questioning, studying, probing nature. Nature and books belong to the eyes that see them. None of us is responsible for the complexion of his skin. I understood at a very early age that in nature, I felt everything I should feel in church but never did. Man is by nature a political animal. The year 2100 will see eugenics universally established.